trade. My name is Kevin Tate, bringing to you today the TurboChef Oven Maintenance and Troubleshooting Guide. TurboChef ovens are a type of high-speed cooking equipment that utilize advanced technology to quickly and efficiently cook a wide variety of foods. These ovens are ideal for commercial kitchens, catering services, and food establishments that require fast and consistent cooking times. In this guide, we will explore the features and capabilities of TurboChef ovens, as well as the importance of regular maintenance and troubleshooting to ensure their optimal performance and longevity. Thank you for watching, take care, and stay well.